Is the traditional Latin Mass really dividing the Catholic Church? One cardinal says no, and his message comes at one of the most tense moments in recent church history, as fears of a possible new SSPX schism dominate Catholic headlines. Cardinal François-Xavier Bustillo is pushing back against a claim that many Catholics have heard for years. His message is simple. The traditional Latin Mass is not an attack on church unity, and it is not an attack on the church itself. On June 29th, Cardinal Bustillo gave an interview to the Italian newspaper Il Giornale while in Rome following the recent consistory of cardinals. At the same time, he was also presenting his new book, La necessità di riparare, or the need to repair. During the interview, he was asked about the traditional Latin Mass and the growing tensions surrounding the Society of St. Pius X, known as the SSPX. But Bustillo immediately made an important distinction. The Latin Mass and the SSPX situation are not the same issue. According to him, Catholics should not confuse the two. The traditional Mass is not an attack on unity or on the Church, he said. He pointed out that the Catholic Church has never been limited to just one liturgical expression. The Church includes the Eastern rites. Even in the Western Church, there are different liturgical traditions. He mentioned the Ambrosian rite. He mentioned the Mozarabic or Spanish rite. Different rites have existed for centuries, and yet the Church has remained one. For Bustillo, the real danger is not the existence of different liturgical forms. The real danger appears when people become rigid. He warned that the search for deeper commitment can become unhealthy when radicality turns into rigidity, and when an ideal becomes an ideology. The cardinal also called the modern liturgical conflicts somewhat ironic. Why? Because throughout church history, liturgy was supposed to unite people, not divide them. Liturgy has always been a principle of unity, he explained. The conversation then turned to the SSPX episcopal consecrations. Those consecrations were set without Pope Leo XIV's approval. Bustillo was asked whether the situation might be the right moment to remove restrictions on the traditional Latin Mass that were introduced by Pope Francis through Traditionis Custodes for Catholics who remain fully united with Rome. His answer was careful. He acknowledged the diplomatic challenge. It would be dangerous, he said, to send a message that Francis was wrong and Leo is the one who fixes everything. Still, he expressed confidence in Pope Leo. Bustillo emphasized that the Church operates through continuity. The Church develops through a process of refinement, not sudden reversals. Because of that, he believes Pope Leo will eventually offer a response that is both fair and proportionate. The cardinal also looked back at Pope Benedict XVI's decision to lift the excommunications of SSPX bishops. He described that action as an example of the Church acting like a loving father and mother. But he warned that if the new consecrations move forward after years of dialogue, they would create what he called a painful fracture. A painful fracture made even more serious because it comes during a pontificate focused on two key words: peace and unity. Despite these tensions, Bustillo remains hopeful. He sees growing interest in God, especially among young people in France. He believes priests must respond with words, time, and personal closeness. When there is closeness, there is authority, he said. Looking ahead, he welcomed Pope Leo's planned visit to France in September, and he ended with a broader reflection. Many people, he said, are beginning to realize that removing God from public life since the cultural revolutions of the late 1960s has not created a better society. And perhaps that realization is why so many are searching for faith once again.